Hey there, wildlife lovers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're counting down 5 amazing facts about zebras that will make you appreciate these striped wonders even more. Fact number 1. Each zebra's striping pattern is unique, just like human fingerprints. No two zebras have the same pattern, making them easily identifiable. Fact number 2. Zebras are super fast runners. They can reach speeds of up to 40 miles per hour, making them some of the fastest land animals on Earth. Fact number 3. Zebras are highly social animals. They live in large groups called herds, which are usually led by a dominant mare. Fact number 4. Zebras have a special digestive system that lets them digest tough grasses. They have a large cecum, a specialized part of their digestive system that breaks down cellulose in plant cell walls. Fact number 5. Baby zebras are born with brown and white stripes. They start to develop their black and white stripes within the first few weeks of birth. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new, be sure to like and subscribe for more fun facts and wildlife content.